Tired of spending countless hours on manual data entry? Are you frustrated with errors and inefficiencies slowing down your business? Meet x2x eCommerce Integration Solutions, the game changer your business needs. Manual data entry is prone to mistakes, time-consuming, and can lead to costly errors. But with x2x eCommerce integration, all your sales, inventory, and customer data sync effortlessly between your e-commerce store and ERP system. Here's how x2x eCommerce integration transforms your business operations. Automatic data sync. Orders, inventory, and customer details are updated in real time, eliminating redundant data entry. Error reduction. No more typos, missing orders, or pricing discrepancies. Accuracy is guaranteed. Time-saving efficiency. Free up your team's time and focus on growth instead of manual tasks. Seamless connectivity. Integrates with leading e-commerce platforms and ERP systems, ensuring smooth business operations. With x2x eCommerce Integration Solutions, businesses experience faster order processing, reduced operational costs, and improved customer satisfaction. Say goodbye to manual data entry frustrations. Automate, streamline, and grow with x2x eCommerce integration. Contact us today and take your business to the next level.